Are you tired of constantly struggling with messy and disorganized storage in your home? It can be frustrating to try and keep things neat and tidy, only to find that you can't locate the items you need when you need them. That's why we're excited to introduce our latest product, the S310 Folding Box. This innovative storage solution is designed to make organizing your cabinets and drawers a breeze. With its simple and easy-to-assemble design, you can quickly set up the storage box and start sorting and organizing your belongings. Whether you prefer a vertical or horizontal arrangement, the folding box can be customized to fit your needs. It even comes with convenient label stickers to help you categorize your items for easy retrieval. Plus, the folding box can be hung on the side of your cabinets or stacked on top of each other to create even more storage space. Don't let clutter and disorganization get in the way of your daily routine. Contact us today to learn more about the S310 Folding Box and how it can help you get your home in order.